Good morning to everyone. We have discussed about the topic on abrasive hardness and thermal conductivity. This is the abrasive hardness and related to the thermal conductivity zone in the diagram. First, you have to small size of bar is aluminum oxide. This is the Noop hardness. This thermal conductivity means 2500. Another one is silicon carbide. Next is in cubic boron nitride. We have final one the diamond. This is called the abrasive. This is abrasive hardness and thermal conductivity. Next one the thermal conductivity. First you have to abrasive hardness. Another one is the thermal conductivity. This is the red color diagram. This is the aluminum oxide 33.5, silicon carbide 41.5, aluminum 209, and copper is 372, cubic boron nitride 1300, diamond is called 2092. This is called thermal conductivity. Next move the topic of grinding. What is the grinding? Grinding is the most common form of abrasive machining. It is a material cutting process which engages an abrasive tools whose cutting element are grains of abrasive material known as grit. These grits are characterized by sharp cutting points, high hot hardness, chemical stability, and wear resistance. The grits are held together by a suitable bonding material to give shape of an abrasive tools. Okay, this is the working process of grinding. Next we have grinding, the shown in diagram, cutting action of abrasive grains. This is a grinding, cutting operation of abrasive grains. The abrasive particles in moving, they remove the material in the workpiece. Next we have to the diagram. This is the table motion. Okay, table motion, up grinding, down grinding. This is a slide view. The abrasive grinding wheels rotated in workpiece. We have to remove the material. BW is the workpiece material. This is the VS is the direction of grinding wheel rotation, abrasive grinding wheels. The grinding wheel is the confining baffle. This is another one oblique view. Okay, we have to first we have top of the diagram shown in the front view. This is the oblique view. The workpiece is should be placed on the work table. Work table is the fixation. One of the top side of the grinding wheel. This is the grass feed. Okay, moving in the removing material. Okay, example of grinding machines. Example of grinding machine should be grinding wheel moving in the material. Remove the workpiece. Major advantage of grinding. A grinding wheel requires two type of specification: dimensional accuracy, good surface finish, good form and locational accuracy applicable to both hardened and unhardened material. Okay, this is a major advantage of grinding. A grinding wheel requires two type of specification: dimensional accuracy, good surface finish, good form and locational accuracy applicable to both hardened and unhardened material. Major application of grinding. Major applications of grinding. Application: surface finishing, slitting and parting, descaling, deburring, stock removal, abrasive milling, finishing of flat as well as cylindrical surface, grinding of tool and cutters, and resharpening of the same. Okay, this is the major applications of grinding wheel is a surface finish, one of the slitting and parting, descaling, deburring, stock removal, abrasive milling, finishing of flat as well as cylindrical surface, grinding of tool and cutter, and resharpening of the shape. Type of grinding. Different type of grinding working in the manufacturing technology: surface grinding, cylindrical grinding, internal grinding, centerless grinding. This other form of grinding. One of the tool cutter grinder, tool post grinding, swing frame grinding, bench grinders. You have the grease feed grinding. First we have to discuss the floor stand grinding. The floor stand grinding is located in the horizontal plane or this the floor. We have the pedestal. Here the pedestal is the one of the important pillar in the with the sand the grinding wheel. The side inside the water, the work is rest, the work rest, and we have to the workpiece moving and the this is the eye shield, this is the guard, this is the floor stand grinding. Another one of the bench grinder. Bench grinder fixation of bench. We have to the two side of the wheels rotation about the we have to wheel rotating. The grinding process is survival.